few years ago, a good friend of mine from Mexico brought me this very cool gift, un mortero. And this, I tell you, has got to be one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. And the reason for that is because this pestle and mortar is kind of where I grind all of my spices. I do my dressings for my salads in here. I do some of the sauces. And today, we're gonna use it to make a recipe that's gonna be very cool. But if you don't have one of these, you should run out and get one. Pretty much if you come from a Latin family, this is like having a coffee maker in your house. So go get yourself one, all right? Let's get started. We're gonna first take care of the corn. This is sweet corn that you can get at the market. Hopefully you have a farmer's market nearby. You're gonna take the corn and you're going to grab it, and using your paring knife, you're gonna just slide the knife down, and you're gonna end up obviously with lots of little corn kernels here, which you're gonna take and you're going to blanch them just for 1 minute. Put a little pot of boiling water and just blanch them in there. And of course you're gonna end up with your blanched corn, which you're gonna let it cool for at least 20 minutes, right? You're gonna let it cool. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start off making our dressing. And this is super, super, super simple. All right, first you're gonna take 2 garlic cloves y los pones en el mortero. Just put it right in your mortar there. And you're going to kind of just smash it down, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to make a paste with the garlic. And I'm gonna drop in a couple of chili peppers. Now, depending on how spicy you like it, that's how many you put in there. I put like 3 or 4 in there. And just kind of grind it all in there with the garlic. There you go. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of cilantro or coriander. Same thing. Yep, they're the same thing. And just keep grinding it in there. Nice. Get all that flavor going. There you go. You gotta put your fist into it. You gotta put your hand in it. If you haven't exercised today, this is a good way to get that off your checklist. Now, you're gonna put in some olive oil. Just kind of drizzle it in. Nice and easy. Oh, you see that? I wish you could be here and smell this. I mean, this is already smelling delicious. Just go ahead, get the olive oil in there. Keep grinding it. And now we're gonna add just a pinch of salt. Just a pinch, and fresh black pepper. Put it right in the mortar. And el mortero. Nice. Keep grinding that in there. A little more olive oil. And your dressing is pretty much done. All right? And now, all you got left to do is put your salad together. We're gonna take some tomatoes. See, I like to use multicolored tomatoes, so we got some red tomatoes, we got some yellow tomatoes, we got some green tomatoes, and just kind of spread them out on the plate like that. See how colorful that is? All right. And the next thing you're gonna do is, I got some radishes and I cut very thin slices. So just kind of lay them out all over the salad like that. Nice. Put them out, put them out, put them out, put them out. Don't worry, we're gonna mix all this together. And now you're gonna take your corn, kind of just spread it out. Spread out your corn. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And there you go. And now we're gonna mix all of that together. There we go. Get all the flavors in there. Get it all mixed up. And using a spoon, where'd I put my spoon? Here we go. You're gonna go right from the mortar to the plate, and you're gonna add the dressing to the maiz and the tomato, los tomaticos, all of that in there, and just kind of drizzle all of that in there. There you go. There you go. All of that, all of that. Oh yeah. There you go. Mix it up a little bit again, so the dressing goes in all of the salad and coats all of the salad. There we go. And the last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add some queso fresco. Now this is Mexican queso fresco. You can get it in any of your Latin stores. And if you don't have a Latin store, then kind of maybe use the cheese that closest sounds to something Latin. I'm just kidding. Queso fresco, pour right over the salad. There you go. Nice, refreshing, cool summer salad. Almost forgot, you're gonna need a little bit of acidity, of course, in the salad. So we're gonna take some lime and we're just gonna go ahead and drizzle it all over the salad. You can use 1 or 2 limes, however you like. And now it's really done. So let's go ahead and grab a taste. Let's see. That really tastes good. Let's see. It's got all that garlicky cilantro taste and that amazing acidity from the lemon. Goes so well with the sweet corn. Guys, you gotta try it. Really good.